Hey guys, I just thought I would show you something. I'm actually really doing this more for my Facebook rather than my YouTube, but I post it on both. But this is for the people that I normally talk to about helping me with my computer. Yes, I need more help again, but then this time you guys are probably going to tell me to just save up for another computer because this computer is like 5 years old. Or I've had it for 5 years. But here's the thing. You see it's off right now, right? It's fully charged because it's been charging all day, pretty much since I've been at work. And it's fully charged. And before I even turn it on, I will go to a backstory really quick. I was trying to play Alice, and it was lagging a little bit. And so I was like, alright, this kind of sucks. Let me restart. Because, sometimes that helps. If you have open apps, it'll get rid of what's open. So I restart. And there's updates. I was like, alright, fine. I'll wait for it to do its updates. Whatever. Well, after it comes up again, I was like, okay, cool, finally. It's working a little bit. It still kind of lags a little bit, but then I play the game. It's good for a while. Now both Nick and I were kind of geeking out in our room because we were getting ready to go to bed, but we wanted to game together, I guess. Just kind of game while laying down. And so we were both using the outlet that's in our bedroom by our window, and he was just like, is your computer charging? I was like, it should be. And his wasn't. Obviously mine wasn't either, so we had to come out to the living room. Otherwise our computers would die. Now, that was the end of that. I just played up until I could save, and then I just went to bed. Because by that point it was about like 4 or 5 in the morning. But anyways, so the next day, I go to turn my computer on, and it does this pretty much. Yeah, so turning it on, you saw the lights. You see it's loading up. Preparing automatic repair. It didn't say that, but I hope it doesn't do what it's been doing, so maybe it'll actually fix what it's doing. But basically, start the computer or boot it up. It starts this load off thing like, Windows, then it does all that. And so it comes on, and it's fine. And I'm like, because Nick mentioned last night, because it's lagging and I probably have a bunch of trash on my computer. He's like, well, maybe you need to defrag your computer. Press restart to restart your computer, which can sometimes fix the problem. You can also press advanced options to try other options to repair your PC. This is probably recommended to just restart. This actually hasn't come up yet. So, hang on, let me check just to see what it says. Okay, so it boot up normally like it normally does. Like this. VIO comes on, Windows comes on, whatever. And so by the time it comes to my desktop, it's fine. And then when I went to try to defrag, nothing happens. Well, they have defrag and optimize something. I'll have to show you once it boots up. But if it does. But basically, it's good for a few minutes, and then it just turns off. Now, I didn't do the whole reset thing, but let me see what happens. Alright, so this came up. I signed in. It did its thing, like it's doing right now. And then just, it turns off. I don't know why it's doing that. I know it's probably because it's an old computer and I need to get another one, but I don't have the money for it. So I'll have to just try to save up money, do some research on some computers, and see what I want to get. If anybody has any ideas as to how I can maybe fix this, or if I can't fix it and I need to get something else, maybe you guys can suggest an affordable and durable computer. And also, if you guys can tell me how I can save my files, like my pictures, videos, and stuff, because I got a bunch of stuff with Alex on it that I'd like to save. If you guys can help me out with figuring out how to do that, that would be awesome. Just let me know. Alright. This is, like I said, for Facebook and YouTube. YouTube is just for anybody who is tech savvy